What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on KAS. So if you're interested about the exact trading setups that I am planning to trade here, plus what is the exact price that I'm actually expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a daily time frame. If you saw my previous analysis that I did exactly in this daily candle, I was talking here about a trading setup in which I was waiting here for a pullback support confirmation, and if that would be happening, I wanted to take here a long position. But as you can see, the next daily candle closed kinda near to this bottom of this red area, so the retest was invalid, so I was waiting for another close of that daily candle, and the next daily candle closed here. So that's why this setup was invalid and I didn't take here any trading position. And I actually didn't care that after that we had here another pullback up. So right now we have here a strong rejection from this resistance area that is, by the way, between level 0.0275 and 0.0264. As you can see, because I'm a swing trader, there are always certain conditions that needs to be met before I'm taking a trading position. And even though I was waiting for this setup for at least couple of weeks, I still didn't take it because the conditions that I was waiting for were not met. So right now, as you can see, we are simply going down, and for this I am currently using a weekly time frame because I am about to take here, let's say, a long-term long position on this coin if there will be even bigger dump, but I will be talking about this later in this video. But before that, I just want to invite you to my Discord trading group, because if you want to get access to all the altcoins that I am currently watching, so you want to get access to the exact potential trading setups that I want to take if certain conditions are met, then definitely consider joining, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Plus, every morning I am sharing here important market moving events, so if you don't want to be watching the news on your own and you want to get access to the news that can actually affect your trading, you can see every morning I am just sharing that important market moving events every time for the next 24 hours. So yeah, just keep in mind there are a lot of scam accounts that are pretending to be me, so if you will ever receive a message or a friend request from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind it's a scam. So let's now take a look on a 12/daily time frame, because this resistance is, in my opinion, still kind of important, because you can see historically this was important support. So if right now there will be a pullback up, but the pullback needs to be not just in this red area anymore, but the pullback needs to be above, so above the level 0.02755. And if this is gonna happen and there will be a support confirmation and this will be the current low, this is really important, I will consider taking here another long position, because stop loss in this case you want to place just under this low. And the reason why I want to work with this low, and if there will be a lower low, I don't want to take it, because then the stop loss would be kind of big and the risk reward ratio is not gonna be great, because last take profit targets in this case is actually liquidity above these previous important highs, so liquidity above the level 0.0423, something like that. So I will be speculating here for a 55% move with risk reward ratio 6.2. In a trade like this, you also want to take multiple take profit targets. So the risk reward ratio 6.2 is not going to be your final take profit target, because some profits you want to take in this bearish order block, in this second bearish order block, in this third bearish order block, then around this area of increased liquidity, then you want to save some back to a last take profit targets. And if, for example, the market will do something like this and then pull back and then a support confirmation, you can see that with this trading setup with multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio could be around 4. But if we are gonna have here a stop loss around 15% with multiple take profit targets, you will get risk reward ratio 2.5, 2.8, something like that. And in my opinion, this setup is not anymore worth of taking that risk. So right now, if there will be pullback with a support confirmation, I want to take here this long position. But for now, I am still waiting, because right now we just had here a resistance confirmation. So we need to have here pretty insane bullish volume. On the other hand, let's now take a look to a weekly time frame, because if this coin will continue with this dump, then I'm watching here level 0.0201 mark. And if we are gonna hit it, I will be buying this coin to my long-term spot portfolio, because I still think in the upcoming alt season this coin will reach at the $0.1 mark. This is my price prediction for the next year, because I think the alt season will happen in 2027. So from this level, this can be a potential profit around 400% of a net market. Just keep in mind that I will be taking this on spot, so I don't mind holding this long position for several months. I don't mind holding it that long, because I'm not paying funding fees with a spot position. So that's why I am not gonna like choose to actually trade here a futures, but 400% potential profit, in my opinion, it's like really good area where you can actually buy this coin to your long-term spot portfolio. About the like really bullish price prediction that I have, so like if the alt season will be really crazy, I think this coin can reach $0.3 mark, but there is actually not that high probability. And from this low, this is a potential profit around like 1400%. So this is like 14x, something like that. This is like, in my opinion, really great, again, buying area. So if we are gonna reach it, of course, if we will go even lower, I will be probably buying more, because in the long run, this is a good buying opportunity. Just keep in mind, for this area to be reached, there needs to be a drop about another like 20% of a net market. So let's now get back to the previous trading setup. Right now, if this coin will continue with its dump, I am planning to buy around this level to my like long-term spot portfolio. But if there will be pullback support confirmation, I will be actually considering taking here a trading position. If I'm gonna take a look on a like daily or a 12-hour chart, we are having here the exact same trading setup. On a 4-hour chart, we are right now having here this bullish order block. So some of you might be thinking that there is like a good opportunity to wait here for a liquidating web pullback and then a support confirmation. In my opinion, this is not that good, because simply we are right now, like in the long run, we are in the area where we don't have any liquidity. So even if there will be like a liquidating web pullback support confirmation, there is in my opinion still increased probability we will go back down. But if you will like decide to actually trade it, then have low percentage risk. So for like risk management should be around 0.5%. So if stop loss will be hit, you will lose like 0.5% of your trading portfolio. And last take profit targets in this case like can be above this resistance or like above this bearish order block. So the risk reward ratio here will be around 3.3. with like 2 take profit targets you will get 2.8, 2.5, which is like not a bad trading setup. Just in my opinion, higher risk that this trade will end up in a loss. But if you will wait for that liquidator web pullback support confirmation, it's definitely much better than if you will be just buying the breakdown itself. If you will just buy it while we are, for example, jumping under this previous important low, this is, in my opinion, not a good buying area. So I guess definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. And if you like my trading style and you, for example, want to work directly with me, I also have my private group where I am sharing every move I actually make on futures or a spot market. So if you want to get access to this plus to many other benefits, then more information about the private group you can find in my Discord group, where you will also get access to the actual coins that I'm watching every single day, plus the news that I think are important for our trading. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Let me know in the comments your exact price prediction, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.